Guys, welcome back to Smart Tech Junction. In this video tutorial guys, I am going to show you is your Windows PC slow, laggy or unresponsive. Today I will show you 5 hidden Windows settings that can triple your PC speed without installing any software. Watch this video till and very carefully. First setting is this guys, you need to open the task manager. Hold control key, shift key and then press escape button from your keyboard. It will open the task manager on your PC, and here you need to disable the startup app. In the left panel, open the startup app. Here you can get the all startup app. So just find out the startup app, right click on it and simply disable it. You need to right click on your all app, you need to disable it. This alone can reduce boot time and background CPU usage, so it will definitely improve your speed. And second hidden setting is this guy, you need to turn off visual effect on your PC or if you are using laptop. So to turn off these guys, press Windows key button and here you need to type adjust the appearance and performance of Windows and then hit enter from your keyboard. Okay, select adjust for best performance. Select this option, or manually you can disable animation and shadows. Click on apply and then click on OK. This improve speed on low end PC 100% guys. And third hidden setting is this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to type CMD, means command prompt, and open it and run as administrator mode. And here you need to type some command, so you can get this command in my video description as well. Just copy it and paste it as it is. Now select ultimate performance in power setting. After executing this command, it will open one screen. From there you need to select ultimate performance in power settings and then you can close the command prompt. Fourth hidden setting is this guys, you need to disable the background running app. To disable this guys, you need to open your Windows settings, hold Windows key button and then press I from your keyboard and then go to apps and open the installed apps and find out the app which was running in the background, or you can find out all unused app, unnecessary app to stop in the background. Click on three dots, go to advanced option. And in the background permission guys, here you need to select never. So same process you can follow with all other app which is not most in use. Follow this method. This save RAM and battery usage. Okay, this is also very powerful method. Last fifth and hidden setting is this guys, you need to optimize drive and system file. To do this guys, press Windows key button and here you need to search def arrangement and optimize drive. Search it and open it. From here you can easily able to optimize your drive. Also clean temporary files using the storage sense. To do this guys, once again you need to open the Windows settings, scroll down and find out storage, and in the storage here you can get the option storage sense. Just need to enable this guys. This feature will automatically free up space, delete temporary files and manage local available cloud content. So this is very important feature in your PC. Enable it. One more bonus tip I am going to show you, method I am going to show you. Press Windows key button and here you need to type system configuration and then hit enter from your keyboard and here go to services tab and just here you need to uncheck this box, hide all Microsoft services and then click on apply and then click on OK. This is bonus method guys. After applying these settings, you can see these changes: fast boot time, less lag, better multitasking, improve overall performance of your PC and laptop. If this video helped you, like the video, subscribe to Smart Tech Junction, comment speed if you want part 2 of this video.